Hi everyone, hi man. Yeah, today we are discussing about this finite state automations to from regular expressions visualizations. And where I refer from this is a research paper. So finite state automations do from regular expressions visualizations. This is titled a research paper which has been like has been written by like which has been the paper authorized by from Macro T. Moraza and Tijana Many, and this is from like a whole university. So instead of reading this whole research paper, if you look or check it out my video, which is like if you watch this video which has been going to be recorded right now, uh, it's gonna cover all the important things and some in a summarized way. We're gonna explain or the content from this research paper has been already done in this PPT. So we are gonna explain those points. So instead of reading the or wasting time in the research paper, you can just check out this video right now. What are the agenda we're going to discuss is abstraction. Basically a research paper contains abstractions and instructions and the methodology, and at last it will have conclusion, right? So in this video we're going to include those things also, instead of some things. So we're going to include like regular expressions and NDFS. What do you mean by this? Like non-deterministic finite automation. So and the visualization tools and the conclusion. What do you mean by abstraction? Instead of checking all the research paper in detail, if you take a research paper, okay, with an example I can say, if I take a research paper, so instead of going to all the details in depth, so if you read the abstract, so you will get to know why I need to read this uh, research paper, or why I need to waste of my time in this research paper. So what all the things or the benefited ones I will get from this research paper, you will get to know about those things in this abstract. So we will go to the next slide. So this is the abstract. The development of visualization tools designed to aid students decided yeah the development of visualization tools designed to aid students in understand transformations between finite state atoma and regular expressions. Yes, right. So these tools allow users to input either an FSM or a regular expressions and navigate through the transformations process step by step with clear explanation at each steps or stages. The author provides insights into the implementation of these tools, compare them with existing resources, and present empirical data indicating their effectiveness and low cognitive load for learners. So this is an abstract from our research paper. So it is not our research paper, it has been already done from other. So we are just copying their content and pasting in our PPT. So you will get time instead of reading like 2 hours or 4 hours, more than 4 hours. If you have checked out my other video, like in just 10 minutes, we're gonna explain how cover up this research paper with a brief explanation where you have not seen moreover in the YouTube world. I mentioned YouTube world and the equivalence of models. Students learn to convert non-deterministic finite state. Wait a minute. Yes. Um, well, this is the introductions, right? So before going to research paper, we're gonna read first abstract then introductions. So well we came up to the introductions, let us cover it. So equivalence of models, right? So whenever the students learns to convert the non-deterministic finite state machines, so I'm not gonna get these words non-deterministic finite state machines in further slides. I'm gonna define these sentences as a NDFS as abbreviations of it. So to deterministic finite state meshes, so I'm gonna expressing as a DFS, NDFS and DFS. So, like showing both recognize the same language, right? So, recognition versus generations. As you know, recognizing is a what you're going to recognize it. Generation is what? So, from one generation to another generation. Like it's a transformation exists between the models that recognize and generate words such as converting NDFS to regular expressions, regex, and importance of reg apps or user friendly for expressing patterns while finite state machines FSMs are useful in programming tasks like string searching. Visualization tools like JFLab and OpenFlap help students visualize transformation and understand algorithm interactively. So regular expressions and NDFs. So basic regular expressions like single character or a and represent the language containing only the character a. So or is equal to empty. So here like denotes the empty word, right? So or null value denotes the empty language or union or two. It denotes the union of two regular expressions, and or one or two denotes the concatenations of two regular expressions, and or one power of star denotes zero or more concatenations of regular expressions. This constructing NDFA from regular expressions, simple cases, varieties 1, 1-3. So each has straightforward NDFA structures. Complex cases using closure properties like union create a new start state with epsilon transition to the NDFA start states. Concatenations link final states of the first NDFA to the start state of the second. Nearly star. So introduce a new start final state and creates transition for looping. Awesome, right? So let us cover the next things, the visualization tools, what I have been said previously. So this it will cover up the of 80% of the research paper. So well, when I was reading those research paper, I get to know this why the visualization thing has to be done. So well, we cannot write. We can be written in a pen with the help of pen or pencils, right? So uh, we can write up to the five states, right? When there is a more than eight or nine states, what can it could be? So these visualization tools can help the students for to understand more deeply, right? So this is the main point where I suggested, I recommended, or what have studied the research paper, it's going to be fine for other students. Like they will be the good practitioners, or somewhere else they're going to be see so this video. They will get to know about the research papers, ideas, and details within a 10 minutes of this video. So before going through that, so I will complete this like visualization tools, right? Then this is a functionality. Visualizes transformations between NDFA and regular expressions. Features allows manual constructions of NDFA facilities. NDFA to regex conversation. Limitations does not permit backtracking through computations. Importance of visualization. Cognitive load reductions simplifies complex concepts, helping students focus on essential tasks. Enhanced interactions encourages active participations, improving understanding of automata theory. Next, overall, we come to the conclusions about so what are the stressor matters were discussed for away. This was like it's gonna be topic or sessions from those research papers. Have been pasted the link of this research paper PDF in the descriptions. You can check it out if you want to know more details about this. I think this is enough for you guys because you know have covered a lot of things. Um, maybe not. You can check it out in a descriptions for more details. So new visualization tools facilitate ND-effective regular expression transformations, user-friendly features, clear diagrams, and bidirectional navigation reduces cognitive load. Right? So easy transformations, complete or restart processes simply. So future plans implement in classrooms and develop tools for language properties and phrase trees. This is about all about the conclusion matter. So let go previous one slide. So this is the visualization tools what I have covered in this slide. It is like JFlap and importance of visualization. In the previous slide, I have been covered like regular expressions and NDFS. What do you mean by NDFS? Nothing. It's nothing but non. It is a non-deterministic finite autonomous. Then I covered up introduction and as well as abstraction, and then agenda. I have gone through this. I have gone with abstraction, and then it's not abstraction, it is an abstract, and then introduction, and then we have gone with regular expressions and NDFS, and we have gone with visualization tools, and at last we have gone with conclusion. So we have came at the last. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you got some ideas of this research paper, how it's gonna be done.